Now that the Ebola epidemic has officially made its way here to the U.S., a lot of people are concerned about how we're going to keep it from spreading. Tonight, our Adam Weiner is taking action to find out how prepared Tampa is for a case to pop up here. Adam?
Well, Tampa General Hospital right now training their staff on what to do and how to use new equipment just in case what you saw happen in Dallas, Texas were to happen right here through the doors behind me.
This is for the people that are in the room for, hours at a time, and the potential is there for significant exposure.
Tampa General Hospital bought dozens of these new specialized suits.
It's a pretty heavy gauge, and it's totally fluid proof.
Readying for a situation they hope never happens.
We will be placing patients in a negative airflow room with an anteroom, if at all possible.
Readying Tampa General staff for the threat of Ebola is Peggy Thompson, Director of Infection Prevention.
We felt that if we went above and beyond and protected them from head to toe from fluids, that they would feel comfortable and they could go in and care for the patient without fear of exposure to themselves.
To be clear, there's been no suspected cases of Ebola in Florida, but the director of Hillsborough County's Department of Health is in touch with groups of people who might be traveling to Africa, like students abroad and people on mission trips to West Africa.
Location, location, location. If they have not been to one of these affected countries and they haven't been there in the time frame, everything else really doesn't matter.
The hospital's plan for a potential suspected patient includes triage, isolation, and testing. Ultimately, though, officials say the United States has a stronger healthcare infrastructure than West Africa. So while individual cases might be identified, an outbreak in the United States is very unlikely.
We are both ready, and given the nature of the threat, I feel very confident.
I also just talked with officials at Florida Hospital of Tampa and St. Joseph's Hospital, both of which say they not only have a plan in place, but the equipment necessary to deal with an infectious disease outbreak like Ebola. Live in Tampa, I'm Adam Weiner for ABC Action News. Back to you.